everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing these Christmas tree ornaments using air dry clay. They are so super easy to make, so I thought I would just show you how I did them. I think they're really cute. So if you just get some of your air dry clay, you can get this off of Amazon or anywhere online. So as you can see, I've just got a large bit of clay, and I got a few of these cookie cutters that again I think you can get off of Amazon, just to make the shapes with the clay. So I just got some sort of festive ones. Just going to put those aside for now, and I'm going to go ahead and just pull the clay apart. It's a little tough, as you can see, and then I'm just going to work it in my hands to warm it up a bit, just so it's easier to roll out. What I'm going to do first though is I've just got some of this glitter, and I'm just going to add it to the clay just so you can see like a few sparkles. So once I've added that, I'm just going to knead that into the clay so that it covers as much as possible. And then I'm going to just get my rolling pin and roll it out. So once you've rolled it out to a good size, go ahead and get your cookie cutter. I'm going to use the star one because I really like this shape, and just push it firmly into the clay and just give it a good push down, and then you can obviously take it out. Then I take a paper straw, and I just like to use this to create the hole at the top so that you can put like your string or your yarn through the top to attach it to the tree. I just think it's the easiest way of doing it. So if you just remove it from your cookie cutter nice and carefully, you may get a few frayed edges, but once you pat those down and smooth them out, they will soon go, which is good. So to create the lettering, I used this, I think it's kind of like a cookie icing stamps. You can get them off eBay. I can link all of the items down below if you want me to. So yeah, you just literally line them up on this little mount, and then you can go ahead and push it into the clay. It's so simple to do. And yeah, I just think it looks really nice and clean, and I just like the style of the lettering as well. So as you can see, I went ahead and done it for all of our names. So you've got Oscar, Sarah, Ezra and Jason. So I've got another couple of ideas that you can do using the clay. If you get a bit of lace and just literally roll that into the clay, it actually gives off a really nice sort of decorative effect, I think. So yeah, I've literally just done a little bit at the top and a bit at the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my snowflake cookie cutter and just press that down into the clay. I don't know, it just kind of reminds me of like a Christmas jumper or something like that, but I just think it looks really nice. And another thing to do is, these are stamps that I believe that you can use for like what's it called, card making and things like that, but I have this one that says "Let It Snow," and it's again just another stamp, but this one's a silicone sort of stamp. So I'm just going to push that lightly into the clay. And yeah, I just think that looks really cute. And then obviously the last one is just to use the sort of icing biscuit cutter stamps again, just to do a Christmas tree, and I use the word merry inside. So I'm now going to leave these for 24 hours. I also made a couple for my friend Gemma, as you can see here, and yeah, I'm just going to leave those now to dry. As you can see, these are all completely dry now, and I added some little red and white twine to these ones, and I just think they turned out really well. And if you can see in the light, it also shows all the glitter as well. So yeah, it just gives a really nice effect, I think. I'm going to paint the inside of here because I just think that will have the letters standing out a lot better. But yeah, I just think that they've turned out really, really nicely. Like, I love this design and how the lace is imprinted on the clay. And then over here I made some for my friend Gemma as just like a little gift. So there's one for her little dog Wilma, and then there's Gemma and Ryan. So yeah, I'm just going to add some of this twine. You can get this off of Amazon or eBay or anything like that. And I also have kind of like the jute one as well, which I think looks really nice. But yeah, I just think it finishes it off nicely. I haven't got my decorations up yet, so I'll probably put them up next weekend, but I just think, yeah, they're just going to look so super cute, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I do have a few more Christmas DIYs videos to come. And as always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye!